Welcome back to another video. In this video we are in our storage room, laundry room, whatever you want to call it, and this is our cellar's hatch. So today we are gonna make this electric so you can get down there with a touch of a button. Let's get started and wire it up, and then we're gonna get on with the hinges.
Did you write lift on it?
Because it will lift.
I thought that's how it came.
No, it's a linear actuator. Hello? 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 Flood! Keita! Bending the hinges. So I tried to use these cabinet hinges with an extra long extension, but yeah, they just completely broke. So it's just that it's made for a cabinet, you know, typical cabinet fatness is that fat, and this is maybe 3 times more fat than wood. So it's just not able to reach as far. So when it hit its point of max reach, when it wants to go, you know, flat, it couldn't go flat, so it hits the corner and just bends the hinges. The difficult part is to find a hinge that can lift the wood up and put it on top, kind of. But
and also hold the weight.
yeah, I think we might have to put hinges from the top. We can plane them in so they're hidden. But it's just not the look that I wanted. I wanted a hidden hinge, but I guess we'll have a hinge. I mean, if there is a hinge, realistically you can't open it from the top anyways, because the actuator is pretty much like a lock. It's gonna hold it. It's not like we don't want it to be open, we just want it to be flush like a wood, so you cannot even tell that there is a door here. It's also a good kind of secure bunker, like, so if not a bunker but like a safe spot, so you can hide under in case there's intruders or something. So you could hide and no one could realistically lift it open easily without, you know, proper crowbar and breaking it properly. But yeah, if you have a hinge on top, then it is not as hard, because then you can just unscrew the hinge and open it. So I guess we'll have to do the hinges on top. I think this is not gonna work like this, sadly. It was an experiment. I was not sure how to make this work, but maybe there's some sort of furniture hinge that could do this, like the ones they have for the couches, but it's just, I need it specifically custom made to be working with the fatness of wood. Couch, you know, has a really big opening, so you need exactly the opening amount of the wood. But yeah. Let's take these off and just put hinges on the top. Worth the try. They might still be too weak for this door. It might just bend even if they were going correctly.
Let's see.
So we're gonna put on the actuator. I know I just like put them on in a different place, but I checked it and it should work. But the problem is that the hinges don't have enough power to just lift the door up when you're doing it. I think we just need the same thing but more heavy duty. But these are just some basic furniture hinges. I just wanted them to hold the door in place, and this thing does the lifting, but pretty sure this thing's just gonna break the hinge.
I mean, they're already more or less broken and they were €2 each.
So we're just gonna test it, and if it doesn't work, no problem.
It is working, no? So we got it up because David has to get other screws.
Yeah.
So we had to try it.
But
It's
works.
working. So it opens and it closes.
Kinda gonna push it that way though, so I'm not sure if I need it lower. Yep. Let's think about it. Not. Open the door.
Okay, moment of truth. Number 2. Doesn't do it. No, it's lifting really on the one side. No.
It's struggling there. Try number 30. Nope. In the future, maybe we upgrade these hinges to proper strong metal hinges.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it kind of did it, but it did put it wrong way and then just forced it in. I love how good it works though. Okay, let's open it and get out. Oops. I'm just gonna help it. What's the other actuator?
Not too much.
It's just gonna break this one hinge here. Down. It's not gonna be enough either. So it's kind of half working. I think I need to just research and get some better hinges. I did find, I did look at them in the store, the hinges that can fade a bit more, and they're for doors. So maybe I get those because I really don't want to have hinges outside, because I can't find a way for it not to be a problem of walking on it with socks. It's just gonna be painful. So we really need to find a better solution. I did find some on Amazon, so I found some in US. I just need to find the same solution here. But there is some options. The actuator, I think, is gonna be fine with some more solid hinges. It's just that this side, it's just flexing around because these are just not made for this much pressure. So we're just gonna take these off. It was kind of a silly idea to think that they will work. This has a lot of power, so I'm really happy about these. I will be using these a lot more for automation. But for now, I think that's gonna be it. We're not gonna get on it for now because we need to go to hardware store and get it. So it's gonna be it. It's kind of a, you know, halfway done. I can get in and out. It does close good and it does open, but not all the way and not without being really wobbly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.
That will take a while.
Just film how nice it closes as well. Ish. Bye bye.
It pops in place really nicely. Just gotta fix the hinge part.